Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening File Explorer and revealing hidden items. This exposes the app data folders you need. Navigate to %app data % for roaming and %local app data % for local, because Fivem stores different caches and settings across both. Once done, shut down Fivem completely. If the client runs, files can be locked or incomplete. Make sure to take note of folder sizes. Large cache or Citizen MP folders tell you where game assets and logs live, so you'll know what to back up first. Now you dig into the folders. Open Fivem, Citizen MP, and cache directories to find application, settings, and crash dump files. You do this because configs and logs contain the exact state of your installation, important when restoring or diagnosing errors. Once inside, identify JSON or INI files and any crash dumps. Copy them to a safe folder or external drive. Also, inspect the cache for leftover mods or corrupted assets. Removing a problematic cache often fixes launch issues without reinstalling. To finish, make a dated backup containing configs, cache, and crash dumps so you can revert changes later. You do this because it saves hours of reconfiguration. When restoring, always close Fivem, then replace the app data folders with your backup copies to ensure file integrity. If problems remain, clear the cache folder and relaunch. Often corrupted cache causes crashes. Troubleshooting tip: if clearing cache fails, collect the latest crash dump and config, then compare timestamps. This narrows down recent changes that caused the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.